Have you ever stopped mid-bite of a banana and wondered, how did this sweet, golden fruit make its way to me? It's a tale of vibrant farms, tireless farmers, and an epic journey across oceans. And let's be real, the Philippines isn't just tossing a couple of bananas around for fun. They're shipping a staggering 8.9 million tons every single year. Yes, those tropical treasures travel from lush Philippine farms straight to breakfast tables and smoothie blenders all over the world. Let's unravel the incredible journey of how Filipino farmers turned this banana bonanza into reality, one bunch at a time. Bananas are like tropical sun lovers, basking under the radiant Philippine skies as if they had their own beach chairs. With endless sunshine, steady rains, and warm, balmy air, the Philippines offers the ultimate paradise for these tropical treasures to thrive. But growing bananas isn't as simple as planting a seed and waiting. Unlike most plants, bananas don't come from seeds. Filipino farmers use banana pups, tiny clones that sprout from the mother plant, to grow each new generation of this beloved fruit. Think of bananas as a family tree that keeps growing and expanding with every new generation, each branch bringing more delicious fruit to life. But this process isn't instant. It takes about 9 to 12 months of devoted care and nurturing before the bananas are ready for harvest. Filipino farmers are true masters of their craft, knowing the ins and outs of every variety. Cavendish Bananas, the global superstar found in supermarkets worldwide, and Latan, prized locally for its one-of-a-kind sweetness, are each a testament to their expertise and dedication. Growing bananas is a heartfelt labor of love that demands expertise, patience, and unwavering dedication. Farmers carefully nurture the plants, providing consistent watering, fertilizing, and attention, a humble reminder that even nature's sweetest treasures need a helping hand to reach their full potential. Timing is crucial when it comes to harvesting bananas. Pick them too early, and you're left with green bananas that taste like grass. Wait too long, and they'll turn to mush before they even make it to the docks. Filipino farmers, with generations of experience, have mastered the art of spotting the just right moment, making them the true Goldilocks of the banana world. So, how do they know it's time? Experienced farmers look for telltale signs, size, shape, and even the faintest touch of yellow. Armed with machetes or long knives, they skillfully cut down each bunch, which can weigh a staggering 30 to 50 kilograms, about as much as a full-grown Labrador. Carrying these hefty bundles through the fields is no small task. It's a test of strength and balance that could rival any weightlifting competition. And let's not forget the risks. Even in a banana field, slipping on a peel is more than just a joke. Once harvested, bananas begin their journey from the farm to processing facilities, a trip that's anything but simple. These fruits need extra care to avoid bruising, as they're far more delicate than apples or oranges. To protect them, farms rely on conveyor systems, a vital step in ensuring the bananas are handled gently throughout the harvesting and transportation process. At banana farms in the Philippines and other major banana-producing regions, moving the heavy bunches after harvest isn't as easy as carrying them by hand. The weight is just too much. To ease the workload and protect the fruit's quality, conveyor systems have become a game-changing solution. These systems are simple but incredibly effective. Along the rows of banana plants, cables or chains are equipped with hooks or pulleys spaced at regular intervals. Once workers cut down the bunches, they hang them onto these hooks, and the conveyor gently transports the bananas through each stage. This smooth process ensures the fruit stays free from bumps and bruises along the way. At the processing facility, bananas face a rigorous sorting and grading process. Each one is carefully evaluated for size, shape, and quality. It's like a high-stakes banana beauty pageant, where only the finest make the cut for export. Meanwhile, the smaller or slightly imperfect bananas, though they don't steal the spotlight, find their way to local markets, where they're cherished just as much. The bananas are given a thorough wash and cleaning, a refreshing spa treatment to make them look their absolute best. After that, they're carefully sorted into neat clusters, boxed, and labeled, like dressing up in their finest attire for the International Fruit Runway. Once packed, the bananas are stored in cool, climate-controlled rooms to slow down ripening, keeping them perfectly fresh for their long journey to distant destinations. Once everything is set, the bananas embark on their journey, traveling across vast oceans to reach breakfast tables worldwide. It's a grand adventure, from the sunny warmth of the Philippines to colder corners of the globe, all driven by a single mission: to deliver the freshest, most mouthwatering bananas imaginable. The Philippines stands tall as one of the world's leading banana exporters, shipping millions of tons to East Asia, the Middle East, and far beyond. But bananas aren't just a delicious treat, they're a cornerstone of the Filipino economy, providing jobs and livelihoods to millions. For countless rural communities, bananas are a vital income source, supporting not just the farmers but also the many workers involved in packing, transportation, and processing. This industry provides much-needed stability to regions that might otherwise struggle with economic challenges. Every banana bought helps improve lives thousands of miles away, making a small but meaningful difference. It's incredible how such a simple fruit carries such a massive economic impact, transforming lives for the hardworking people who grow them. In the Philippines, bananas are far more than a simple snack. They're a cherished part of everyday life. These versatile fruits star in countless Filipino dishes, both sweet and savory. Take banana Q, for instance. Ripe bananas fried to a caramelized golden brown perfection on skewers, a street food favorite. Or turon, a crispy spring roll stuffed with bananas and jackfruit, then fried to a deliciously crunchy finish. Bananas add a burst of tropical sweetness to every meal, and no trip to the Philippines is complete without savoring at least one of these beloved local delicacies. But the admiration for bananas goes beyond the fruit itself. Banana leaves are widely used in cooking and food presentation, adding a natural, earthy flavor and an eco-friendly flair. The banana plant is practically a national treasure, with every part serving a purpose, whether in food, packaging, or even traditional practices. Bananas have woven their way into Filipino songs and stories, becoming symbols of abundance and the vibrant tropical way of life. They're ever present, so deeply ingrained in daily life that they feel like part of the family. For Filipinos, bananas are more than just a source of nourishment. They embody a connection to the land and the enduring, spirited culture of the Philippines. The story of Filipino bananas is one of dedication, perseverance, and immense pride. It's a journey that begins in the sun-soaked fields of the Philippines and ends on breakfast tables around the globe. With generations of expertise, Filipino farmers produce an astonishing 8.9 million tons of bananas annually. A remarkable achievement that truly deserves recognition. The next time you peel a banana, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's made and the lives it has impacted along the way. It's more than just a fruit, it's a piece of the Philippines, a taste of sunshine, and a tribute to the hard-working farmers who bring it to your table. Let's show gratitude to those who make these sweet, golden treasures possible, because bananas truly are a little slice of tropical happiness. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on our exciting new videos. See you next time.